Hello, children. Welcome to the online lecture of Geography. Today we are going to study lesson number 9, Map Scale. Before we start our lesson, we should know what is the meaning of map scale. A scale is a statement of the relationship between distances on a map and distances in real life. A drawing that is made according to the scale will be an exact copy of the real object, but will be smaller or larger than the real object. Here, we can understand that scale means the thing which is in real. It will be bigger, but on the map, it will be in the smaller area. Same thing, but in the smaller size. The painter first takes an estimated scale of the scene in front of him with a pencil. After that, he draws a sketch on the paper. The painter does this so that the picture is drawn to scale. Here, drawn to scale means in accordance to the original picture. Means painter what he will do, he will hold the pencil upright position in his hand and he will take the far view, distant view of the thing he is going. See here, the painter is trying to draw a house and the coconut trees. So when he sees the house from far view and with estimation to the pencil, the house will take a smaller part of pencil. So in the same way, he will make the smaller picture with using the size of that pencil. In the same way, he will draw all the objects taking into consideration size from the pencil point of view. Okay? We obtain information about the earth or some specific part of it from the globe or a map. While preparing a map, in order to get the actual ground distances on the paper, some conversions have to be made using geometry and mathematics. The use of map scale is useful for this conversion. In a map scale, it is essential to correlate the distance between 2 points on a map and the actual distance between these 2 points. Means when we have to make a map scale, we should actually know the real place. The ratio of the map distance to the ground distance is map scale. To draw a map true to scale, it is essential to know the ground distance. These distances are measured during surveying. Surveying means people will go and actually visit the place to understand the geographical aspect of that place. While preparing a map based on the distances, a suitable ratio is selected. After the preparation of map, it is necessary to mention the map scale. Means what ratio you have selected, which directions are mentioned, what aspects are there, everything should be mentioned on the map scale. This facilitates map reading and help in understanding the distances on the ground. There are three ways of expressing the scale on a map. The first one is verbal scale. Verbal means use of words, okay? As the name suggests, a verbal scale is one in which distances are expressed with the use of words indicating measurement. Means in verbal scale, we can see proper use of words are given to show the places. See example, if the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 60 kilometer, means 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 60 kilometers on the ground. Okay, then centimeter is the unit of distance on the map and kilometer the unit of distance on ground. Means centimeter is the counting on map and kilometers is the counting on the ground. Second type is numerical scale. Numerical means, as the name suggests, number. This scale is expressed as a ratio. It is given in the ratio, that is 1 is to 60 lakhs. Here 1 represents the distance on the map and 60 lakh represents the distance on the ground. What this shows, if anything is drawn in the unit of 1 on the map, but actually that thing will be 60 lakh times on the ground. This is 60 lakh times the map distance, also known as representative fractions. In this scale, only numbers are used. This scale is also written as 1 is to 60 lakhs. In this method, there are no words used indicating the measurement. The same unit used for the figures on the left hand side is also used for the figures on the right hand side. Means in the numerical map scale, you cannot see the use of words, only the numbers are used. The last one is linear scale. This scale is shown graphically on a map. Graphically means in the form of drawing. It is same as we see on a scale, regular scale which we are using, rulers. In the same way, we can see the linear scale. The distance between any 2 points on a map is measured with the help of linear or graphical scale. If a ruler is not available, then a compass, a blade of grass, or for curves, a thread can be used for measuring the actual distances between places on a map. Means it is not compulsory to use only the scale or the ruler, but if you find any of the material to measure the length, that we can use. So children, in this part what we have learned? We have learned what is map scale and how many types of map scale are there? 3. Verbal scale, numerical scale and linear scale.